Hi student, welcome to my YouTube channel Nursing King. So please share it in your friend circle to join. I'll give you 2 minutes for joining. Hello student. I'm audible. You can message and tell me. So I'll give you just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes for joining. After that I will start. So today we are discussing about you can share it in group also. You can share it your group. Like in our group you can share. 1 second. Just checking. So shall we start? Just message and tell me I will start. If you told me I will start now. If it is okay, just tell me. Just message me yes. I will start now itself. Okay. Can anyone send that live to WhatsApp group? So it will be more easy to joining everyone. Otherwise, I am only sending just a second. Okay, I have sent. So just more 1 minute we are waiting. After that we will start. Can anyone send that live to WhatsApp group? It will be more easy to joining everyone. I am only sending just a second. Hello. Everyone is ready? Just I'm checking. Okay, 7 students are joining. Just put message. Yes, I am ready. 7 students are joining. Just put message. Yes, I am ready. My voice is audible. My voice is audible. Okay, let's start. So let's start the video. So this is the this is the diagram of heart. So today in this live session we are going to discussing about the blood circulation process, pulmonary circulation, systemic circulation, how it's occurring, how the blood will be circulated through the heart, and also one more important question regarding the heart conductive system. So all questions we are going to discussing in this video. Within 30 to 40 minutes I will completing all questions. So don't worry, I hope it will be very helpful for you and further studies. So let's start the video. So first we are discussing about the diagram of the heart. Okay. So in this diagram of the heart, first that sometimes they are asking how many chambers are there in heart. So all you know, we have a 4 chambers. Okay. So what is the first chamber? The first one is the right atrium, second is the right ventricle, both are in right side. So atrium and ventricle, and left side also we have a 2, that's called left atrium and left ventricle. So these 4 are heart chamber. So we have a 4 heart chamber. Sometimes they are asking what is the largest vein in the heart? It is pulmonary vein. Okay, which is the largest artery is aorta. So like this they are asking sometimes meanings question. So next we are starting the heart circulation process. So the process of the heart's blood circulations, it will be grow like from the blood, the deoxygenated blood will be entering to the heart, like this is the two-way. Okay, so this two-way the blood will be coming to our body. So this is like a body, so that this two-way only the blood will be entering to right atrium. Okay, so this is two-way the blood will be entering right atrium. So after that the blood will be what? Deoxygenated blood. Okay, which type of blood will be entering to the right atrium? It's called a deoxygenated or carbon dioxide blood or deoxygenated blood. Okay, so through the right atrium the blood goes to the right ventricle. Okay, so this is the simply from the inferior vena cava and from the superior vena cava the blood will be entering to the right atrium. Okay, so after that from the right atrium the blood goes to the right ventricle. So how it will be goes? From the conducting and pumping process. From the heart will be contracting and pumping now. So through that process, the blood will be goes through the right atrium to the right ventricle. So in between we has a one border. This is the this border is called a what called, this is the right side will be present. So right atrium and right ventricular middle would be present this border. So it's called a right and right atrium and ventricular septum. So this is will be present right side. Okay, so we have a one atrium and one ventricular, both middle would be present. So that's why it is called the right atrium and ventricular septum. Okay, so till this it will be clear. Next we are going to the, so blood will be entering to the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, it is coming to the right atrium and after coming to the right ventricle. Then the blood will be goes through the pulmonary artery. Okay, where it will be going? It will be going to the, this person tell me, comment me which where it will be going. It going to the lungs. Okay, so the blood will be going to the lungs. Why it will be going? Because before that the blood will be deoxygenated, CO2 blood, right? The blood will be deoxygenated blood. So from the right ventricle the blood will be goes to the lungs for carbon dioxide out and in oxygen. CO2 out and oxygen will be in. So that carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange will be happening inside the lungs. Okay, for that exchange of the gases, the lungs, the function of the lungs, what? Exchanging the gases in between carbon dioxide and oxygen. So this is the process. So after exchanging, the deoxygenated blood will become a oxygenated blood. So what is the next process? So from the lungs, the oxygenated blood will entering to the left ventricle through the pulmonary vein. Okay. So after this, that left atrium blood will be which type of blood? This is a oxygenated blood. Okay. So heart right side will be processing the deoxygenated blood, left side will be processing the oxygenated blood. So till this it will be clear. Next we are going. So after coming to the oxygenated blood from the lungs, what will be happen? Here the oxygenated blood will become O2 blood. Okay, oxygenated blood. So same the contracting and dilating process, the blood will be goes to the left ventricle, left atrium to left ventricle. Okay. So this two chamber, in between also same like one septum is there. Both side, the heart both side will have a two septum. Okay. So this is will be how this septum is called a, which side will be present? It present left side in between atrium and ventricular. So it is called a left atrioventricular septum. It's clear. Right side will be right atrioventricular septum. Left side it will be present means left atrioventricular septum. Is that clear? This septum. So what is the next process? So after oxygenated blood coming from the right atrium to the right ventricle. So these two are chamber in field of oxygenated blood. So what is the next process? Again same the heart contraction and dilation process. The blood goes to the aorta. So aorta is a largest artery. It's transferring the oxygenated blood. So blood is goes to the aorta and it going to the all over the body. Okay. So this is the process. This is the blood circulation process. This process we called blood circulation. Okay. So next, just reviewing small way. The blood will be entering to the inferior vena cava and superior vena cava. The blood will be deoxygenated blood. The blood will be entering to the right atrium. The right atrium to the blood goes to the right ventricle, and from the right ventricle blood goes to the through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. So from the lungs, blood again entering to the pulmonary vein. That in the lungs, what will be happen? CO2 and O2 exchange, like carbon dioxide and oxygen exchange would be happen. So become a deoxygenated blood, become a oxygenated. So from the lungs, oxygenated blood coming to the pulmonary vein, it is coming to the left atrium. So from the heart contraction and dilatation, it will be going to the blood goes to the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle blood goes to the aorta to the all over the body. Okay, this is the process of blood circulation. So very easy way. Did you have any doubts? Just drop in comment. Any doubt you have, just ask. Very simple process. If you want one more time explanation, I'll explain that blood circulation process. Next we are going to the next question, conducting system of the heart. So this is also important questions. Heart conducting system. So if you have any doubt, just drop in comment. Any doubt? Okay. So someone asking pulmonary vein, which blood carrying, sir? Pulmonary vein always carry the oxygenated blood. Okay. Pulmonary vein is carry the oxygenated blood, O2 blood. But pulmonary arteries carry the deoxygenated blood. So this is the confusion questions. So sometimes they are asking which artery are always carrying the oxygenated blood. So one confusion will be there in these questions. Which artery are carrying the oxygenated blood? and which vein are carry the deoxygenated blood? So did you know anyone that answer? So always vein are carrying the which blood? Vein always carry the oxygenated blood or deoxygenated blood? Or artery or carries oxygenated blood or deoxygenated blood? Okay. So this is the very important questions or very knowledgeable questions. Just note it down. Artery are always carry the oxygenated blood. Artery. In our body, artery are always carry the oxygenated blood. Okay. And veins are always carry the deoxygenated blood. But in exam sometimes they are asking, so clearly this is right. Artery are always carry the oxygenated blood and vein always carry the deoxygenated blood. But in exam they are asking which artery are carry the deoxygenated blood. Basically artery carry the oxygenated blood, but which artery carry the deoxygenated blood? The answer will be coming which artery? The answer will be coming pulmonary artery. Okay. The pulmonary artery always carry the deoxygenated blood, but other artery always carry the oxygenated blood. Again same question, repeated question, they are asking. The vein always carry the deoxygenated blood, but which vein carry the oxygenated blood? Same question will be opposite coming. The vein always carry the deoxygenated blood, but which vein carry the oxygenated blood? The answer will be coming the pulmonary vein. So you know, from the right ventricle through the pulmonary artery, the deoxygenated blood will be goes to the lungs. So these artery only carry the deoxygenated blood. Otherwise all artery always carry the oxygenated blood. And same questions, which vein carry the oxygenated blood? So the pulmonary vein is carry the oxygenated blood, and otherwise always all veins carry the deoxygenated blood. So this question clarification, I hope it will be clear. So did you have any other questions? You can drop that comment. I will try to explain you. Any other questions? So shall we not understand something? Okay, someone did not understand. See that just clear concept, right? Okay, please one more repeat. So same, the two things just remember. Okay, just simply two things. The artery always carry the oxygenated blood. Okay, artery means the artery always carry oxygenated blood, and vein always carry the deoxygenated blood. These two you understand? Artery means always carry oxygenated blood, and veins always carry the deoxygenated blood. So this the clarification done. One more question will become, I will try to explain next. So artery always carry oxygenated blood and vein always carry the deoxygenated blood. But exam they are asking, artery basically they are carrying the oxygenated blood, but which artery carry the deoxygenated blood? So this is the question. Artery always carry the oxygenated blood, but which artery is carrying the deoxygenated blood? The answer will be very easy. Pulmonary artery. From the right ventricle, the deoxygenated blood goes through the lungs through the pulmonary artery. So the artery will be carry the deoxygenated blood. So this is the answer. Pulmonary artery. Artery always carry oxygenated blood, but pulmonary artery only carry the deoxygenated blood. Okay. Same questions. Veins are always carry the deoxygenated blood. Okay. Vein basically carry the deoxygenated blood, but in the will happen, pulmonary vein is carrying the deoxygenated blood. So this is the answer. The question they are asking, veins are carry the deoxygenated blood, but which vein carry the oxygen blood? So that answer is pulmonary vein. I hope it will be understanding. So next question someone asking, which chamber carry oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood? So this is very easy. From the right side of the heart. So right side of the heart always carry the deoxygenated blood, and left side of the heart always transferring the oxygenated blood. So just make a two division. So this heart make a two division. Okay. Sorry, this heart make a two division, like this two division. So from the right side, so right side it will be carrying the deoxygenated blood. Okay, right side carry CO2 blood. So always right side of the heart carry the deoxygenated blood, but and left side, we are going to the left side. Left side of the heart is always carry the oxygenated blood. Okay, so this is the temporal. Any other questions? Which chamber carry the oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood? So the answer will be right atrium and right ventricle will be carry the deoxygenated blood, and left atrium and left ventricle carry the oxygenated blood. Clear? Next question. Next, any other doubt? Next, any other doubt? So shall we go for the conducting system of the heart? Any other doubt? Just drop in comment. Okay, no sir. All clear, will be satisfied, I hope. So next we are going to the start. Next question, conducting system of the heart. Okay, so from that, conducting system means the electrical activity, how the electrical activity will be transferring to the heart will be pumping. So heart will be like contracting and dilating. Every time the heart will be contracting and dilating. How it will be dilating? So because of that, our electrical system, that call is conducting system. That our question is conducting system of the heart. The main theme of the conducting system of the heart means heart will be conducting and dilating, like it will be heartbeat always lub dub dub dub, always it will be getting na. So due to conducting system of the heart, the electrical impulses transferring to the all over to the heart. So because of that only, heart will be always working, contracting and dilating, contracting always the 24 hours. The heart will be purifying the blood and transferring to the pure blood to our body. So because of our electrical system of the heart and conducting system of the heart. So let's start the process, how the electrical activity or conducting system will be happening inside the heart. So before going to the explanation of the electrical system heart, are you know regarding the SA node and AV node? Anyone knows? Just drop in comment yes or no. Did you know regarding the SA node and AV node? I just give you 30 seconds. Did you know regarding about the SA node and AV node? So these two node is most important in that electrical impulses to the heart. Okay. I hope everyone will be going to sleeping. So no one reply. So okay, the SA node is, SA node means, so already I have mentioned here, SA node means cyanoatrian node. This node is called a, okay, I just change that color. Okay, so this node is called a SA node. Okay, I just make a border here. So this node is called a SA node. The full form of SA means cyanoatrial node. So it will be present in between the right atrium almost. Okay, so this is called a SA node. And next node will be called a AV node. So these two nodes are you visible? This is SA node, this is AV node. Okay, SA node and AV node. The how electrical impulses will be going? First electrical impulses started from where? From the SA node. Okay, from the SA node the electrical impulse will be started. So from the SA node only the electrical impulse will be started. It will be goes to the, from the SA node to, it will be goes AV node. Okay, it will be going to the AV node. Next it will be going to the, it will be going to here, the branded, it is going to the bundle of His. This is called bundle of His. The both side of heart it will be spreading. Okay, the bundle of His, this portion is called a bundle of His. So simply process, the very simple process. First electrical impulse will be starting from the our SA node. So from SA node the electrical impulses goes to the AV node. The heart will be contracting and dilating now. So from the electrical impulses only the heart will be working. So the electrical impulse, how it will be spreading to the all over the heart. So this is the process. First will be going to the SA node, it will be going to the AV node, and it will be go to the bundle of His, and after that it will be spreading to the both side of branches of bundle of His. So it will be spreading to all over the heart. So due to that the heart will be contracting and dilating. The always the heart will be pumping. So due to the electrical activity of the heart. So did you know regarding the like myocardial infection, okay, heart attack, cardiac failure, why it is happen? Did you know? Any idea? Very simply idea, just clearly note it down. See, the electrical impulses goes to the SA node to the AV node, right? The clear information. Electrical impulses goes to the SA node to the AV node. How it will be go inside the in between middle only the muscle will be present. Our normal body muscles, like our body muscles will be present in between the two node. So in case improper blood supply of the muscles in between that muscles, in that muscle, that this portion, this muscle, what will be happen? Improper blood supply. Okay, in between the SA node and AV node, what will be happen? Improper blood supply will be happen. So due to that, what will be happen? That muscles will be destroyed. Okay, so in that muscle no any blood circulation. So what will be happen? Because of that the electrical impulses from the SA node to the AV node, the electrical impulses are not coming to the SA node. Okay, from the SA node, the electrical impulses will be not come from the SA node. The electrical impulses is not coming to the AV node. So due to that, what will be happen? The heart electrical impulses will be stopped to the heart. Because of that, improper electrical impulses will be started. So heart will be not contracting and dilating. So due to that, heart attack, cardiac arrest. So all other cases will be occurred due to the electrical impulses stopped. Due to that only we are suffering the heart attack, cardiac arrest, myocardial infection, atherosclerosis, many of cases. Okay, did you have any questions regarding the electrical impulses or conducting system of the heart? It is very easy. Conductive system means the electrical signals in our heart. How it will be transferring to the all over to the heart. That process is called a conductive system. So simply I just clear you easy way. Conductive system will be started from the SA node. So it SA node 2 is going to the AV node. So after to that it is going to the bundle of His, and bundle of His both side have two branches is there. So electrical signals will be provided the both side of the branches. These are the four steps of conductive system. The SA node electrical signals will be coming to the AV node. After that it will be coming to the branches of His, and it will be transferring to the all over the heart. So due to that, heart will be pumping and doing the actions like contracting and dilating. So due to that electrical signals. So they are asking which notes the start electrical signals. Which note it will be starting the signals? Tell me, very easy questions. Which node starting the electrical signals in the heart? The answer will be coming. The answer will be coming SA node. SA node or sinoatrial node are creating the electrical. This node only. This node only creating the signals. No, this node is called SA node. So sinoatrial node is starting the electrical impulses in the heart. So did you have any other questions? So because of that only, sometimes they are asking pacemaker of the heart. Did you know pacemaker of the heart? The pacemaker of the heart is SA node, because the SA node will be creating the electrical impulses. So because of that we called a pacemaker of the heart SA node. Okay, very easy questions like theoretical practical process. If you know means you are able to write anything. You're just creating your own words and write it down step by steps, how it will be transferring, how it will be processing occurring in the heart. So it is very easy. So did you have any questions? So these two questions will be finishing. If you have any other doubt, so I hope it will be very easy. I'm discussing about the heart circulation process, blood circulation process, and conductive system of the heart. Two systems. These two are very difficult. Someone they are telling. Most of the students they are not going to understand these two questions. So I have explained. If you have any doubt means you just comment me. What do you mean by? Sorry. This is the okay. Batchman bundle you are asking. Okay. So what do you mean by Batchman bundle? There are some students. What do you mean by Batchman bundles? Okay, the electrical impulses will be goes to the SA node to the AV node, and it will be goes to the all over to the heart by both sides of the heart. But it will be pending only the left atrium. Right? So left side there is no electrical impulses will be going to the left sides. So pending side will be which side of the heart? Which side of the heart is not getting the proper electrical impulses? Reply first. I am just waiting 1 minute. Reply first. Any idea? Any idea? No one responding. So this is not a left side. Okay, both sides are getting a proper impulses. This is, I'm just telling, okay, like both side of the heart getting a proper impulses. It will be right side and it will be left side. Okay, both sides are getting proper impulses. But Batchman bundles means, so this is portion is the Batchman bundle. See the mention Batchman bundles. It means from the SA node. Okay, from the SA node is Batchman bundles will be separating is another way, right? And it is the nearest of the SA node. So SA nodes only start the impulses. After that it will be transferring to the AV node, and AV node through the bundle of His it will be going to the all over to the heart. So this much distance, this is the long distance from the SA node. So I hope here we will be getting a less amount of impulses, right? Because this is the very long distance from the SA node, and in between that we have a branches, AV node, bundle of His. So because of that, like lower side of the heart is not getting a proper electrical signals. It will be getting enough amount of electrical signals, but compared to the left atrium, where it will be the present the Batchman bundles. So this portion will getting a more electrical impulses. Okay. So more electrical convulsions are getting to the left atrium. So because of that it's called a Batchman bundle. Means the nearest point and separate point of the left atrium is separately present on bundles is called a Batchman bundles. In that bundles are getting highest electrical impulses during the time of conducting system of the heart. Okay, the highest electrical impulses are getting the left atrium. That's why it is called a Batchman bundles. Okay, any understand? So main conducting route. So this is, so you have a two route, right? For the electrical impulses we have a two route. This is the one route, this is the two route. So the last, this route would be very long, and more of the branches will be the hair on bunches, hair on bunches, hair on bunches, and both side will be two branches. So many of branches is there, but this side only one branches will be there. So after that no any branches. So this portion will be getting more electrical impulses. Okay, more electrical impulses will be getting, and more electrical signals getting from the SA node. So this is, that's why it's called a specialized tissue. The left atrium are getting a more and specific specialized tissue because of the electrical activity. Okay, that's why it's called a Batchman bundles. Clear? I hope your doubt will be clear. So everyone telling the left side, so it will be wrong. Okay, any other questions? Any other questions? So if you have any other questions, means you can drop in group. I'll just going to. Okay, tell me. Yes, I told. Which question? Tell me what question. Any doubt? Tell me. Sir, please tell structure and function of the heart. So already I told na structure and function of the heart. The first I am discussing about the structure of the heart. like what are the parts is there, left atrium, what are the parts is there, what are the artery, what are the vein, what are the valve is there present, what are the septum is present inside the heart. Everything I have told you in the first previous starting itself. Okay, thank you for your supports. I'm going to close the live. If you have any doubt, you can drop that comment in group. I'll come and explain. Okay. Thank you so much.